Oh, present! Blue egg! Open, surprise! A car! Panda backpack. Big car. Red egg. Green egg. Yeah. Open, surprise, a car. Big car.
Hi, friends. Let's play with the colored surprise egg.
Blue egg. Open. Huh? Panda bag. Oh! Ah! Tomato! No! Let's sing! Huh. 1, 2, and
Singing Cuquin and 3 singing balloons.
If you're happy and you know it, come and sing. If you're happy and you know it, come and sing. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, come and sing.
1 and 2. Baby red balloon. Baby red balloon, mine. 1 and 2.
Singing Cuquin and 2 singing balloons.
If you're happy and you know it, trip and swirl. If you're happy and you know it, trip and swirl. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, trip and swirl.
1? Huh? Baby yellow balloon? Baby yellow balloon, mine. 1.
Singing Cuquin and 1 baby balloon.
If you're happy and you know it, glow and shine. If you're happy and you know it, glow and shine. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, glow and shine.
No baby balloons? No, mine. Let's sing, tomato. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Singing Cuquin, 3 baby balloons and tomato.
If you're happy and you know it, put the bark. If you're happy